Today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to unwrap another Mel Science kit, and we're going to discover how power can go one way and also power can come another way. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the lab. Hi everyone, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. I'm excited to be unwrapping another amazing Mel Science Discovery Kit. Today, we're going to talk about how we can power this motor, but also how this motor can give us power back. Let's talk about that. So typically, we have a little DC motor here. And I have two batteries that you can see here. They're rechargeables, but you can use whatever you want. I have two AA batteries. There is a red lead and a black lead, okay? The red lead is the positive, the black lead is the negative. You need to hook them up appropriately. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the black to the black, which is my negative. The way I do that is I just push this little lever down here. They have this little kit they've given you. And then I'm going to take the red and I'm going to push that in to the red. And see the fan go on? Okay. Now, do you guys see that the fan is actually spinning one direction, right? If we look at it, this fan is spinning clockwise. Okay. Now, if I was to switch these wires, notice what happens. Okay, this one goes this way, and if I switch them to go this way, see how the direction changed? So when the polarity is one way, the direction is clockwise. So the polarity is the other way, it goes counterclockwise. All right, that was pretty cool, and you've probably seen motors before. But here's something really cool. Let's take the positive lead and put it into the other positive lead. Let's take the negative lead and put it to another negative lead. Now you might be saying, John, the buzzer's not going to create energy. No, it's not. But if you're familiar with windmills, watch this. I'm going to turn this to me, and I'm going to blow on it. Can you hear that? I'm causing energy, positive and negative energy, to go back, created from the motor, using it as a generator, and causing this buzzer to cause a sound. This is how bicycles work with lights that you might have seen from years ago, where people will pedal and pedal and pedal, and the light goes on, but only as long as you pedal. So if, let's say, you were pedaling and it was at nighttime, and the light's coming on and you're pedaling at a pretty good pace, but now you stop pedaling, as soon as you stop pedaling, the light is actually going to start going dim and then it goes out. So today we talked about how we can power a DC motor, but also how a motor can act as a generator to provide power back. Now, why did we do this? Well, because in our life, sometimes we're used to going one way, okay? But what we're not aware of is that we can go another way. What do I mean by that? Well, let's say there was a particular way that we always got a task done all the time. And now, for whatever reason, we've learned through somebody else that if we approach it from a different direction, we'll actually have, yes, a different perspective, and we actually might get another resolution to the problem, and we also might discover something. Einstein said something a very long time ago, that doing the same thing over and over again, the same way, expecting the same results, that's insanity. So in your life, if you find that you're not getting something accomplished, change the direction. Change the approach, change your perspective. And when you do, you might get enlightenment and you'll solve the problem or actually learn another way that it can be done and gain new insights. I am John, the science guy. And remember, I do science parties all over New Jersey. So be sure to check out believemeachieve.com for more of my great creations. Remember to like, love, support the video. Of course, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe, and of course, click on that, yes, that bell notification icon, so you'll instantly be notified when I publish new content this time. Thank you so much for popping by my lab today, and I look forward to seeing you again in another science video real soon.